So we're gonna do the headliner. As you see, it's missing. This is everything wrapped.
Yo, what's good, my peoples? It's Mazda bringing you guys another video. Gonna make the intro short and sweet. Today we're gonna be installing the headliner on the Mazda Mx3, the one with the red interior. We're slowly but surely making progress with the interior. I've had this roll of material. It's a Suede Alcantara synthetic. I ordered it off of Amazon. As always, links will be in the description. But I've had this material sitting for months and I'm tired of looking at it. So it's time to install and redo the headliner because I've been driving around with no headliner.
So we're gonna do the headliner. As you see, it's missing. We're gonna do the A pillar, B pillar, and then I'm gonna take off the seat belts.
It's not a good look. Time to get the car looking proper. So with a little bit of sunlight left, we're gonna be working pretty much all night after work, and we're gonna be installing the headliner with glue and everything. We got the 3M spray glue. We're gonna be doing the hatch struts because right now one of them's going out on me, so you know it's a pain in the ass whenever we grab groceries and stuff like that. I have to hold the hatch up. And lastly, we're gonna install red seat belts, which is gonna be awesome because I got the red seats in there, but I got the stock like black gray seat belts that are on. So we're gonna do red seat belts and make the interior pop. So without further ado, my people, let's go into the garage and get started. We'll go over everything, all right? Stay tuned. Hui.
So this is what we're doing for the install. We got the padded foam Alcantara or headliner material. It's not really like Alcantara, but it's like synthetic suede. I had the upholster these. We're also gonna do some red seat belts while we're at it. Here's both of these. Links will all be in the description. I'm using the strongest spray adhesive that I could find. That's aerosol canned. Scissors, wire brush, and of course our headliner, which is in crappy shape. I do have some black material also in case I don't like the red, but I'm gonna go with the red. So yeah, my people, without further ado, let's get scrubbing and get this thing done. Let's go. One thing I'm noticing as I'm finishing up with the headliner, getting ready to install the new fabric, is that the layers are coming apart. This normally doesn't happen, or it's never happened to me at least, but this headliner was in very rough shape, had never been upholstered since 1994. So I'm just gonna shoot some glue in here and put this back together because these two together is what makes the structure and gives this thing some rigidity. So I'm gonna keep those pieces together. That with all the brackets and everything should hold it up just fine. But just a heads up. So we're gonna spray half on here. We're gonna spray the adhesive on here, and then on the fabric. Then we'll lift up the other half, and same thing. So yeah, let's go. All right, my peoples, this is everything wrapped. Just got to cut the holes out in the headliners, and that's it. Should look pretty dope.
Gonna undo the hatch struts, so those are there right there. There's two 10mm, and then I'll lift the trunk and do the one under the hatch. So here we go. I'm still cleaning this up. Here you got access to the unibody. Redoing this with some new sound deadening, either some Dynamat or some Noico, I think is what I got. But yeah, so we're just pulling this off. Gonna sound way better in here. You can hear pretty tinny sound, pretty thin, so might as well, we're here. Ow. Okay, so a quick comparison of the seat belts. Let me throw the flash on. They both have the locking mechanism, so if I can't, there you go. That's one. This bracket is longer than this one. This is a universal seat belt. So I'll probably have to mount it from the inside. And I can't transfer anything over. Everything else is pretty much the same. See how ugly and worn these are. I don't know if these are supposed to be black or gray. I'm gonna say black. But this bracket is sturdier. If you don't feel safe running these, and you can always get them re-webbed for like $70 a piece. If you send your stock ones in, there's a company that'll re-web them for you, but I'm just gonna do a replacement. Everything else is the same. That's it. So lock washer. I had a small issue with this one. The bracket doesn't reach down to this bolt hole, so I had to thread it from the inside out. It's just as good. However, still sturdy, but I do like the fact that the stock has the double, the double threads. So I don't know how much of a safety issue it is. Yeah, it is what it is. I bought it. I'm gonna use it. Let's go.
All right, so here's the soundproofing the roof before I finish the back piece. Got the Neuco on the front. So I'm gonna tap where there's no Neuco. And here's the sound deadening. Pretty good so far.
Hopefully this helps somebody. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. This is Roller 16 checking out. Until next time, salute.